Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with this little guy here. It's one of those pink gorillas or whatever. Watch when I hold him like this. I hold him a certain way. He's got buttons on his arms.
That was my Valentine's song. I was about to tell you how much I love you. I gotta finish that song. You gotta put me down. That was my Valentine's song. I was about to tell you how much I love you. I gotta finish that song.
So that's pretty cool, huh? Let's try it on this side.
Now wait a minute. You gotta put me down. That was my Valentine's
I'll put him down.
song. A little bit something now. A little bit something now. A little bit louder now. A little bit louder now.
Hey. This reminds me of Animal House, but that's okay. He loves that song. Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take him apart. We're going to make a puppet out of him. He's probably better the way he is, but yeah, let's try it ourselves here. Okay, so let's get the glasses on. Makes it a little easier. And we're going to get a screwdriver. Hopefully this is... well, I'm prepared, at least this time, because this is a Hallmark one, and it's one of those silly little triangle screw bits. So we're going to see if this one works. That's the one, I think. Yep, that's it. Okay. I was prepared for once. Okay, so here we go. We are going to take this little guy apart. Now, I've seen this guy a couple times at different thrift stores. And he's a silly little guy, but we're going to see if we can get him to take apart here. And I'm going to take it a slow time this time. We've been doing some of these frantic videos. I'm going to do that with some of the other stuff, I think. But this guy, let's see if we can make an actual puppet out of him without destroying the gimmicky little stuff inside. There we go. So how you guys doing? All right, you guys having fun doing these, by the way? I know I'm doing a lot of videos here, and I'm going to start getting into more videos of substance. These are kind of fun, but remember, I'm doing 365 videos this year. I've got to have fun stuff along the way, so these are the fun stuff. And this is kind of a variation of my old Dismantle It videos. Nobody liked those. That's okay, because these are fun. Okay, hold on, one more. There we go. Now you're wishing you'd seen the fast video version. That's okay. So maybe the next time, maybe I'll find him at a different store and then we'll do the fast version. Okay, so here we go. This looks like it's going to be simple and easy and straightforward, just like that. Out it comes. Ready? There's a lot of gimmicky stuff in here. Hold on. I'm hoping it all just stays in one apparatus. There it goes. Okay. Hang on. Okay, that's what I figured. All right, so I need my scissors. Let me get the... Oh, I've missed my other scissors. They're in here someplace. But that worked. That one there. And we're going to do the same on this arm. And it looks like this will come apart very easily, which will be awesome. Where are my little scissors? They're probably in here someplace. These will have to work. Okay. So we're going to take that one and cut that one there. It makes me want to shout. There we go. Okay, look at that. So the whole gimmick is all together like that, and the button is in the foot. So this time we will try and retrieve the button just by turning the foot inside out. I think we'll be able to do it. There we go. Okay, and again, that's just held in by some thread. Let's see here. Let's try that. I think we got it. I think we got it. I think we got it. Or maybe not. Come on. There it goes. There's one. There's two. All right. Look at that. We got it all. We got the whole gimmick, and look at this. This is the best part. Batteries are still in there. We can turn it on, and we can do the switch.
You know you make me wanna lift my hand,
Okay.
roll my head back and come on now.
This might be fun.
A little bit something.
Now, there's some switches around here. Is it maybe?
Hey, put me down.
Yeah.
You know you make me wanna lift my hand.
Okay. We did that part. Now, here's the fun part. Let's put the leg back through. We have a, what is this, pink or red or whatever it is, monkey with his arms flailing around. Ooh, look at that. Okay, we did it. We made a puppet. Yay! All right. Okay. Thank you guys for coming along, and for those of you who've been here before, for those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye.